Dye snap clips you'll love. Full tutorial included. Sewing right sides together. Hand stitching works perfectly too. Grab your trusty loop turner and turn the fabric right side out. Slide your snap clip right into the fabric sleeve. Add a tiny dab of hot glue inside to secure it. Push the fabric up to create these cute little ruffles. Add another drop of glue to lock them in place. Pull the fabric over to neatly cover the end of the clip. Tweak and adjust the ruffles exactly how you like them. Finish it off by gluing a small piece of ribbon on the back. Peg your crafting bestie so you can make these. Together, you'll never have to worry about clashing styles again. Make a bunch of pairs in fun, different patterns, plus